Welcome to Application Workspace Fundamentals, your first step towards mastering Recast Software's modern application delivery platform. This course is built for IT professionals like you, whether you're an endpoint administrator, a service desk lead, or part of an operations team who need to understand how to work with an existing Application Workspace deployment. Before we delve further, let me introduce myself. My name is Chris Santoku, and I am the Senior Manager of Onboarding and Enablement at Recast. In my previous roles as a sysadmin and config manager admin, I have first-hand experience with the challenges of maintaining applications and ensuring a superior user experience. In this course, you'll learn how to interact with Application Workspace from an operational perspective. Not how to design or deploy the platform, but how to use it effectively once it's in place. We'll walk through the core components of Workspace, how applications are brought in and assigned, how users access those apps, and how automation keeps everything current. Application Workspace solves a big problem for modern IT teams: how to deliver apps in a flexible, secure, and user-friendly way, whether users are in the office, at home, or on any device. It simplifies application access, speeds up onboarding, reduces manual packaging work, and gives users one consistent experience. And with the Application Workspace 4.3 release, the platform includes a refreshed user interface, seamless integration into Microsoft Teams, and a new smart diagnostic report feature to help users submit issues directly to IT with logs attached. Before we get into it, a little history. Previously known as Liquid Workspace and created by a company called Liquid in the Netherlands, centered around the idea that application management shouldn't be a difficult or time-consuming concept. Instead, it should flow and be as fluid as Liquid, hence the name. Liquid was acquired by Recast Software in the latter half of 2023 with the intent to bring a fantastic product and team under one portfolio. Workspace can be deployed in the cloud or on-prem. This course doesn't dive into architecture. We'll leave that for the 201 level course. But it's important to know that no matter where it lives, the user and admin experience is consistent. For users, Application Workspace means a single, unified app portal, instant access to apps tailored to their role, no need to dig through Software Center or call the help desk. For IT teams, it means no more repackaging apps manually, smarter control over who sees what, automatic patching, and version management, support for scripting, context-based access, and more, all of which we'll preview in this course. This course is broken into sections, each focused on a specific piece of Workspace functionality. After each video, you'll take a short knowledge check to reinforce what you've learned. At the end, you'll complete a final certification exam. Once you finish, you'll be ready to move into our next course, Application Workspace Administration and Automation, where you'll learn how to configure everything from customization of portal and deployment logic. Let's get started with Section 2, where we'll walk through the core modules that make up Application Workspace and what each one does. Are you ready to be empowered?